Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So how long does back neck pain been going on, persistent now?
Persistently, probably about 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Okay. And what kind of treatment you had for this issue?
So physical therapy, chiropractic, adjustments.
Okay. So how much pain do you feel now from 0 to 10?
Each area is different. So the knee is just burning sensation. That is about 7 to 8.
7 to 8.
Yeah, it's very bad. The neck, it's also on and off, on and off. And when it's on, also maybe about 6 to 7. Yeah.
Uncomfortable. Do you have headache now?
I have headache now.
So we need to work on that.
Probably.
Okay, how much from 0 to 10?
Right now it's probably 5.
5 and headache. Is it constant?
Yeah, it was
For how
constant
long been
from
going on?
this morning until now. So
Okay, where do you feel it?
8 o'clock, huh?
Where do you feel it?
Right now it's right here.
And you feel that headache and neck pain and mid back pain. Okay.
And
Which one aggravated?
to make it worse,
You limited with
This-
your range of motion.
yeah,
Your
this
time.
way and this way.
How much pain?
This one, you mean to increase? It would increase about 2 more levels.
Total, how much?
So let me say maybe like a 6, 7. This one, right?
You're limited here.
Yeah.
Just remember how far you can see from left and right, okay?
Okay. Computers. Yeah, I can't go beyond that because it will start to hurt. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you have any head trauma, accidents, any injuries?
Not on my head.
Where?
On my neck.
Where? How did you do that?
When I went to a chiropractor, when he checked my neck, I heard a crack, and then it hurt.
It was aggressive mobilization?
Yeah, and then it felt like something tore.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to the same person again?
No. I stopped going. So after the tear, and then he did it one more time. So,
Again?
Yeah, so he did it twice. He's like, oh. I said, oh, that hurt a lot. And then he's like, oh, let me fix it. And then he did it one more time.
Oh.
And then afterwards, he told me to go back. So I actually went back for 1 more month. And then I stopped because it just...
oh my gosh, if it's hurt, let's do it again.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm sorry that you had bad experience. Yeah. Is that too much?
No.
Make sure everything pain-free, okay?
Okay. That's too much.
Sorry. You feel the tightness here? Do you feel pressure behind your eyes?
No.
No. Okay.
Or actually, around here, yes. Yeah.
That's a scar tissue. Did you hit your head?
Not that I remember.
You sure?
Yeah, not that I remember.
Okay.
I mean, like, if people have their elbow accidentally hit me, maybe. But not like I didn't hit an object or anything.
Yeah, you're not falling.
Or if I'm under a table and I come up and I hit it. Does that count?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, then probably.
Are you, is that usual to be under the table?
Yeah, I was a teacher, so sometimes I need to go under a table and get stuff.
Yeah, how often we do this? Okay, let's come and line you back in here.
This like felt a little bit better. This now is like here. Yeah.
Sure. Put your head up. Okay, relax. Let me know if you feel any pain on that. You still feel the pain or it's gone?
More degree.
You move
I see
more.
it.
I can move a little bit. Yeah, I can see a little bit past the computer.
Mhm.
This one is very tight.
Okay.
This one is better too.
Mhm.
Headache is one.
Where? And the neck.
It's heavy here.
Hmm?
Here. Heavy. Just feel heavy.
And here? Look up nice and tall. No, I actually need up here. What's that? We're going further, yeah? Extend. Flex. No, it's
What more? Good.
It's more.
I see it.
You feel any tightness?
Just here.
Wood. Okay. Is that just in that spot or other spot too?
The neck area is much better. Now it's here.
Well, we did not work on this.
Yeah.
So what about the headache? Is the headache is gone?
Headache is just a little bit right.
Okay. Right in here. Mhm. Headache and neck pain.
Neck is much better.
Headache.
Headache. It's on the left now.
How much from 0 to 10?
This one is probably 2.
Where? Okay, do it again. Headache and the neck.
Better.
Yeah, it's good.
Gone.
It's gone.
Beautiful.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.